How to fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again on iPhone. If you're having trouble logging on TikTok with the error message unable to authorize, please try again on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 17. Don't worry, we've got you covered. First things first, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. Whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data, an unstable connection can prevent TikTok from authorizing you. Head over to your settings or swipe down from the notification bar, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi, or you can also try switching to cellular data. Next, what you need to do is try closing the TikTok app again and reopening it again. Simply swipe up and here you can find the TikTok app in the recents. Simply swipe up. Next step is to simply restart your device. Sometimes restarting your device can solve many app related issues. Press and hold the power button until the slider appears. Slide to turn off your iPhone, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. Next, check if there is a pending TikTok update. Go to App Store, search for TikTok and see if there is an update available. If there is, simply update it. If none of the steps work, simply uninstall and reinstall TikTok to simply ignore or make this problem go away. And that's it. This is how you simply be able to log into TikTok without the unable to authorize error.